Man, what nasty, crappy bee weather we have. The woods is completely flooded out here. It's still raining, but I'm out here to put up some swarm traps because I believe we are going to start seeing swarms this weekend. So down here in my bucket, I have some comb, and I'm just gonna drop some extra comb down inside here. I've got some frames already in there. Grab a big old piece here, and to help draw the bees in, I am going to put some honey. Actually, it's granulated honey. So I'm going to actually put some honey on here to help get the bees' attention and help draw them to this swarm trap. Okay, the entrance is screwed in place, so now I've got to walk it up that. And since it's so crappy out, I don't have my tripod, I'm just going to do it, and then I'll cut right back to you. Okay, first swarm trap of the season is up and in place. I'm going to go find somewhere that I want to put this other one. Okay, the second swarm trap is up. It actually hangs out of a tree. It is in the fence row, not far from where the hives are at. I put some frames in it. I put some comb in there. I have some granulated honey to draw the bees in, and I just have to slap the cover on. And now this swarm trap is good to go, and hopefully if my bees swarm at all and I'm not home, it draws them right in.